What's up guys, for today's video I got a whole bunch more gadgets. I thought they were cool, wanted to get some for myself. See what I got. So it's like a little unboxing haul video of multi-tools and everyday carry gadgets. So this is Signal Leatherman, beautiful, there's a title on it, there you go. And very easy one-handed knife opening right here. Partially serrated liner lock. Boom. This one a bit harder to open, but it is a little so, just in case. Okay, then to release this part, all we have to do is just pull on that, like a little clip right here. Pull on that and it will come out. There's a little fire starter, it's replaceable. A little bit tricky to put it back in. Oh, it's also a whistle over there too. I think the best way to put it back in, all I have to do is just slide it in and click it in. That's it. Actually pretty easy now that we know how. Okay, there's a clip right here. There's some kind of thing over here with a screw bit holder. Not really sure what this is. This is why we have explanation what this one would be. Maybe some kind of lanyard holder, I have no idea. Maybe it's a lock. Doesn't look like there's explanation for this right here. Okay, what else? We have to open this part of the section. By the way, there's a replaceable wire cutters, which is really nice. Instead of replacing the whole thing, all we need to do is replace the wire cutters once they wear out. And this right here is super easy to open. Boom. So we have a really nice sharp can opener, and this push and move it to the side. This is the easiest way to pull it off right here. There's a screwdriver. Boom. Same thing, push it and close it. And this side here, the knife. Very easy to open it. This is right here like a punch with a hole. Okay, then same thing here. Let's close it, it'll be easier. It is tight. Push this. Sits in there pretty tight. So it looks like it's some kind of like a nail file. Length file right here, from what I understand. And slides back in. Boom. So overall an amazing multi-tool. Can put it onto a backpack, tool bag, whatever. Beautiful. Okay, next we have right here a radio rope macro. So it's 125 feet with the for hiking, all this camping, all that good stuff. Where's the durability test? 100-pound test. So really strong, I can go even fishing with it. So it moves like this. Get as much as I need, and super easy to take a piece off. Look how sharp that blade is. And once the blade wears out, easy to remove it and replace that little blade. Or if I need to use it in survival situation or camping, I can get the blade out. And there's a decent size compartment of the big lighter size, the full size one. Can put that in there, or other things like for fishing kit and everything else. Next, let's see. Thought this one is really cool. There's different sizes. This is a medium. I got a small one before. This is a medium. So it's a canyon bicycles. It can withhold a lot of weight. It clips in and a hook, but it could be used for pretty much anything, even during camping as well. So open that, flip it over. There is a test. Maximum, not a climbing one, 60 pound, 27 kilogram, not a climbing carabiner, and it flips over and swivels all the way around. So beautiful, one of a kind gadget for sure. And then I could use it like a regular carabiner. Boom. That is pretty cool. So nice, decent size carabiner right here. Okay, next, thought it was kind of interesting. Old tool, keychain multi-tool. It's a little pry bar, screwdriver. I don't know if I would ever use the measuring tool, 1 inch over here. Key smart. Also the wrenches are kind of funky. I don't know what this is. This is probably like a bottle opener of some sort, but it would be easier to open it this way. To me, this is more like a pry bar to cut through the tape easily. If I need to cut through the tape, it would cut tape easily. Look at that on a box. So that's what I'd be using for, and I kind of like it the way it designed and looks like. And look, I could put a screw bit in here. But I really like the way it designed and looks like on the keys. It looks like a key. Instead of using a key to cut through the tape to open something, I can use this key and not damaging my keys to cut through the tape. Then I got right here spider core. Let's see what kind this is. This is Tenacious FRPBK. Beautiful everyday carrying knife. This one is not really a flip or anything. It's kind of a slow opener, but it's only $60. So it's a really affordable, really nice size spider core that if I would lose it or break it, it's not like $200, $300 knife. It's not very collectible. A little bit off balance, not a perfect center balance. I wouldn't be holding it here, but it's nice. I love how Spyderco has this thumb stud, or like a thumb rest, I would say, non-slip. Boom. Clip is right here on the bottom, but also it's a reversible clip. It could be on the bottom or it could be on here or here. Wow, 4 ways to place a clip. I never seen that before actually. There's a blade material, black on black. Spyderco. A lot of people call it a tick. I don't know why. I think it's a cool logo. If I could design something like that, I would be proud of it, but I didn't. So I really like it. And there's a logo or signature of the designer. It is not a flicker or anything, so it's a smooth opening, but it's not going to close on you or anything like that. It is quite slow to close it. So, but nevertheless, I really like it. It is also not a spider flicker right here because it's a slow opener. So there, beware that some of these spider cores don't flick like that. They just go folders. And the last one, I found a kind of new company, Craig Hill. Found it on Flip. Let's see. It's a little pill holder. And usually those things are magnetic. This one is screw on, so it could be like a fire tender, pretty lightweight aluminum. Thought it was interesting. But yeah, that's all I got. Little haul of EDC gadgets I got for myself. Thought I would share it with you what I bought. Thought they were pretty interesting. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.